Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to do this shadow effect in Design Space, and you're also going to see how to put a pattern fill on the letters. I'm going to work with a gold pattern, so we select our letters, change them to print and cut. Then we'll go to the bottom right and look for the weld option among the combined options. We click on our letters, we come to the color area, and we are going to change it to a pattern. There we will choose the pattern that we should have already uploaded to the platform. And normally a defect will appear because the pattern does not always fully adapt to the piece, and we must edit it. And in this area we can adjust its scale both in the little circle, look how it changed, or also where it says its scale. We can raise and lower it. When we find the one we like, we simply click on the X to exit. Now to make the shading effect, we go to make a very fine offset. I do it 0.02 centimeters. We press apply. And now to make the shadow effect, we must move that offset to the sides and down, or it depends on how you want to give the shadow effect, if you move it to the left or move it to the right. In my case, I move it 2 spaces to the right and 2 spaces down. I can change the color to my liking. It depends on the design, and then it looks perfect, ready to print and cut. This must be done with all the words that you want this effect to have. And remember that before sending to cut, we must select all the words and shadows. In this case, my design is going to be printed on this background paper, so I must select everything and click on Flatten, so that everything is printed and cut in one piece. And if you want to see the step-by-step of this design, where to get these images and more, I leave the video link below in the description. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you want me to make another video explaining some other techniques, leave it to me in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.